Welcome racing fans to the big race, where we'll see the speedy, sneaky and often cheeky champ take on the newest competitor, the Racing Rookie. How are you feeling about today's race?
I'm the winner, first place,
Well,
and get the
best of luck
prize.
to you. Racers, start your engine. 3, 2, 1. That rascal is at it already. Go, go, go! The champ has an impressive lead. I'm not sure the rookie will be able to catch up. Wait! Look at them go! The rookie is closing the gap as our competitors head into the loop-de-loop. What skill! The rookie is gaining on the champ, and the champ doesn't like it one bit. Watch out! The cheating champ is at it again. Amazing! The rookie takes the lead. The rookie wins! We have a new champion!